Tip 1. Prioritize essentials. Be sure to prioritize basic necessities above all else. This includes food items that are high in nutritional value such as fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. These are the items your body needs to function effectively. Buy enough to last a few weeks to a month, but remember not to hoard unnecessarily. Tip 2. Take advantage of sales and discounts. An effective way to stretch your grocery stimulus further is to take advantage of sales and discounts. Look out for these in grocery flyers, newspapers, or on the grocery store's website. Tip 3. Buy in bulk. Generally, buying in bulk is cost-effective, especially for non-perishable items. Essentials such as toilet paper, laundry detergent, and canned goods can be purchased in bulk at lower cost per item, thus saving money in the long run. Tip 4. Utilize delivery services. For seniors who are less mobile and at high risk from COVID-19, utilizing grocery delivery services can be a lifesaver. Many of these services accept grocery stimulus as a form of payment, making it both convenient and safe. Tip 5. Plan meals. Planning meals for the week or month can help to reduce both waste and spending. By planning meals, you can ensure to buy only what you need, reducing the chances of fresh produce going bad and needing to be thrown out. Tip 6. Store brand items. Buying store brand items is often cheaper than buying name brand ones. The quality of these items is usually comparable to name brands, making them a viable, cost-effective option. Tip 7. Buy seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season tend to be less expensive. They're also fresher and generally taste better. Tip 8. Cook at home. Instead of buying pre-packaged processed meals, try cooking at home. Not only is it healthier, it's also a great way to maximize your grocery stimulus. Tip 9. Limit junk food. It might be tempting to spend your stimulus on junk food, but it's neither healthy nor cost-effective. Keep these items to minimum and focus on nutritious food instead. Tip 10. Stick to your list. Make a shopping list before you head out for groceries and stick to it. This will prevent you from buying unnecessary items and blowing your stimulus. Tip 11. Split buying with a friend. If you live alone, consider splitting perishable items with a friend or neighbor. This will prevent waste and lets you take advantage of bulk pricing without worrying about storage or consumption issues.